Kayo ba ay kararating lang sa Amerika and just started to work sa isang company? Started to earn money then spend it like crazy because it was a good feeling to look like and feel like rich. But it is very little or no money set aside for your retirement. Maniwala kayo, naranasan ko yung pakiramdam na yan, the freedom to spend. Kayo ba ay matagal nang nagtatrabaho and you're thinking of retiring pero hindi mo pa alam kung sapat na ang retirement fund nyo? And your solution is to keep buying lotto, hoping to have millions. And by the way, don't you know that there's far way more chance for you to become a millionaire when you're consistently saving money and invest than buying lotto? How about my OFW friends? Mga nephews and nieces around the world, meron ba kayong tinatabi for your future retirement? Tita naman ang aga pa para isipin ang mga bagay na yan. Aba, mga iho at iha, time flies. You may not notice it, the next thing you know, it is time for you to retire and you cannot stop working because it was too late for you to save enough money for your future years. Pero mga pamangkin, hindi pa huli ang lahat. You have the control of your own financial independence destiny. Planning early for your retirement is crucial to achieving the financial freedom you deserve. The good news is YGT is here. Your Global Tita channel is committed to sharing her experience, hoping to help and guide you in your financial freedom journey. Sa video na ito ay tatalakayin natin ang isa sa pinakamahalagang source of income when you retire, and that is 401k in the US and or any other equivalent of 401k sa ibang bansa. But before we do that, and if you're new to this channel, this is Tita Florita, your global tita. This YGT channel is about helping my nephews and nieces around the world to reach their financial independence by analyzing and sharing my experiences. I will be uploading content every week on Thursday evening Pacific time. Please subscribe if you haven't already, basagin ang kampana sa baba, smash the like button at ipamahagi ang ating video na ito para sa karagdagang kaalaman. If you remember on our last video, I have told you na tatalakayin natin isa-isa ang specifics ng ating FI calculation factors at sisimulan natin ito sa factor number 1, which is the source of income during retirement. Dahil kailangan mo ng gastusin habang ikaw ay wala ng trabaho on your later years, saan ka kukuha ng panggastos kung wala kang naipon? The more sources of income you have, the better you will live a good life. Umpisahan natin sa ating 401k. Sa video na ito ay tatalakayin natin ang mga sumusunod. Number 1, what is 401k? Number 2, bakit ito ay mahalaga? Number 3, how does it work? At number 4, pipirasuhin po natin ang aking naging karanasan about this. What are the good things I did and considered? What are the bad things and decisions I made about 401k? If I knew what I know now, what should I have done? Ano ba ang 401k, tita? What is it? 401k is a retirement savings account offered by many employers. Tinatawag itong 401k dahil nasa Section 401 at Subsection K ng IRS Code ito, na nag-aayos ng rules ng mga ganitong klaseng account. Basically, the government allows the company to offer retirement savings account with certain tax advantages in an effort to encourage people to save for retirement. Bakit sa 401k ka nag-save ng pera? Ano ba ang mga benepisyo nito, tita? Magandang tanong yan. Ito ang mga sagot ko. Number 1, dahil ito ay isa sa mga benefits na ini-offer sa trabaho ko at nagmamatch pa sila ng 4%, I had to grab the opportunity and I considered their matching as a free money. Number 2, because this is automatically deducted from my salary, it is convenient to save money. Isipin mong ito ay bayad mo sa sarili mo. Every time na sasahod ka, nakaset aside na ang para sa sarili mo na magagamit mo ito in your future. Number 3, because the interest of the money you put in 401k is compounding, which essentially allows you to make money on your money. Above all else, regularly contributing to your 401k could really add up to hundreds of thousands and in some cases millions over the long run. Kaya nga guaranteed na maging milyonaryo ka dito kesa tumaya ka regularly sa loto. At ang ika-4, because it is tax-deferred earnings when you contribute a percentage of your pay to 401k plan, you immediately start paying less to Uncle Sam. That's because your contributions comes out of your paycheck before income taxes are deducted. That means your taxable income is less, which in turn lowers your tax bill. However, you will be taxed on the amount you withdraw in retirement. But many people find their tax rate drops when they enter retirement because they have no more active income dahil wala na silang trabaho. How does it work? Paano ba ang sistema na ito, tita? Okay, here's how it works. Number 1, a 401k is defined contribution plan. The employee and employer can make contributions to the account up to the dollar limit set by the Internal Revenue Service, which is the IRS. The maximum amount that an employee or employer can contribute to a 401k plan is adjusted periodically to account for inflation. As of 2020 and in 2021, the limits on employee contributions are $19,500 per year for workers under age 50 and $26,000 for those 50 and up. Number 2, a traditional 401k is deducted from the employee's gross income. The employee's taxable income is reduced by the amount and can be reported as a tax deduction for that year. No taxes are due on the money paid in or the profits it earns until the employee withdraws, usually after retiring. Number 3, taking withdrawals from 401k. This is once money goes into a 401k, it is difficult to withdraw it without paying a tax penalty. The earnings in a 401k account are tax deferred. When the owners of a traditional 401k makes withdrawals, the money, which has never been taxed, will be taxed as ordinary income. Now, let's analyze my experiences about 401k at pirasuhin natin kung ano ang aking mga naging karanasan dito. There are 3 things I did good with my 401k, and that is number 1, I opened an account for 401k through my employer. Of course, that's the first thing you need to do, open an account. 26 and a half years ago, on the day 1 on my employment here in the US, I grabbed the opportunity given by the employer to save money for my retirement. I had a choice not to at the time because I had no idea what is 401k. Kararating ko lang dito sa Amerika, wala pa si Google noon, kaya wala pa akong mapagtanungan. I took the advice of some fellow Americans at work and makes sense to me, especially about the matching percentage from my employer. I thought of it as a free money. Number 2, I did not stop contributing and increase my contributions habang tumatakbo ang panahon. Patuloy ang pagbabayad ko sa sarili ko, non-stop. Every month from my paycheck, it was automatically deducted. That was for the last 26 and a half years. And number 3, maximize some of my contributions. In later years of my employment, about 5 years to my retirement, I maximized my contributions to make up and achieve my goal. When I realized I was off from my retirement goal, I put the maximum allowable I can contribute to 401k. But what about the bad things and bad decisions you made with your 401k, tita? Well, here are the 3 things that I did that you should not consider doing with your 401k. Number 1, I did not maximize my contributions from the very beginning. Pero dahil nagsisimula pa lang kaming mag-build ng buhay namin dito sa Amerika, marami pa akong hindi alam noon. Hindi ko pa alam noon kung ano ang compounding interest. So siguro, kung alam ko na noon ang alam ko ngayon, sana i-maximize ko na ang contributions to take advantage of compounding interest para mas maganda ang paglago niya. Alam nyo ba na pag nag-invest kayo ng $1,000 with 4% compounding interest, ay lalago siya ng 2,225 after 20 years? So isipin mo na may army of dollars ka na mahigit pa sa $1,000 kada taon na ilalagay mo sa 401k mo. So do the math. Number 2, borrow money from 401k. Yes, I did borrow money from my 401k savings to fund our startup business. Sana hindi ko to ginawa dahil nasayang ang time na mag-produce sana ng compounding interest. I lost investment earnings on the money while it's out of the account. Kung alam ko lang ang alam ko na ngayon, sana kinuha na lang namin ang pangkapital ng business sa iba pang pamamaraan. This should be our last resource. Pero on the other hand, okay na rin dahil lagi namang profitable ang business namin. So if you're planning to borrow money from your 401k, make sure it will be worth it. It is a big no to borrow money from any of your retirement funds if the purpose of it is to buy a nice car or nice high-end bag that you do not need. The goal should be becoming rich, not just to look rich, diba? And number 3, I did not pay much attention to my 401k account until later when I was thinking of retiring early. I rarely check the performance of my portfolio. Most of the time, my money was sitting in a very conservative funds, so it did not grow much. My 401k went to big market downfall 2 times for the last 26 years. It was the year 2000 and the year 2008. Until lately, when I learned how to navigate my portfolio, I was rapidly contributing to the max, diversifying and balancing my investments. Kung maibabalik ko lang ang panahon and if I am in my 20s at alam ko na ang nalalaman ko ngayon, what I would do are, number 1, I would consistently maximize my contribution per year to take advantage of compounding interest. I would check my investment at least every quarter to take necessary action, and I would not loan any money out from my 401k to take maximum advantage of compounding interest. So tita, ang takeaway ko from this video is if you start contributing early and invest wisely, 401k will help you leverage time and reduce taxes habang nakakamit mo ang retirement goals mo. Tama ba ako, tita? Correct. Do you know that according to my friend Google, in other countries, there are also 401k similar to the one we have in the US? Talaga po? Yes, heto ang mga napag-alaman ko sa kaibigan ko na si Google. In our home country, Philippines, alam mo ba na ang sistema nila ay tinatawag na pera? Yes, P-E-R-A, pera. In Canada is RSSP. In Europe, there are 3, Lifetime ISA, Riester Rente, and Rurup Rente. And in Singapore, it is CPF. Yung mga hindi ko po nabanggit ang lugar kung saan kayo naninirahan, paki-research nyo lang po sa kaibigan natin na si Google or tanungin nyo po ang mga employer nyo. Tapos, please share the information you gathered dito sa comment so I can also learn from you. My global nephews and nieces, ano ang 401k system nyo kung saan kayo naninirahan? Okay mga pamangkin, salamat at kahit paano ay may natutuhan kayo sa video na ito. To my PhilAm and OFW friends, I hope you have learned something from my experience about 401k. Magkita-kits tayo ulit sa mga susunod ko pang videos. Please don't forget to share this content with others. Please subscribe and smash the like button. Take care. This is your Global Tita, Tita Florita, signing out.